Welcome to our discussion on term life versus permanent life insurance. As someone seeking life insurance protection, it's important to understand the differences between these two options and determine which one is right for you. In this video, we'll explore the key distinctions between term life and permanent life insurance so you can make an informed decision based on your unique needs and circumstances. We will also provide you with a recommendation at the end, so make sure you watch the entire video. First, let's discuss term life insurance. Term life policies provide coverage for a specific period, usually ranging from 10 to 30 years. They are more affordable compared to permanent life insurance, which makes them a popular choice for many consumers. However, once the term ends, your coverage will cease, and you'll need to purchase a new policy if you still require life insurance protection. As you age and your health declines, obtaining a new term life policy can become significantly more expensive. In some cases, you may even become uninsurable due to poor health. If your plan is to purchase term life and continue to purchase new coverage as it runs out, you may want to reconsider. This is where the benefits of permanent life insurance come into play. With permanent life insurance, your premiums are locked in for the duration of your policy, providing lifelong coverage and peace of mind. Permanent life insurance also offers additional benefits, such as a cash value component. This cash value grows tax-deferred over time and can be accessed during your lifetime for various needs, such as funding your retirement, paying for your children's education, or even supplementing your income. This feature is not available with term life insurance. Your budget is sometimes a consideration when creating your life insurance plan. Many people will use both types of coverage to find a nice balance of permanent coverage while using term life to make it more affordable. Purchasing some of both types of coverage is often an excellent way to plan for the future while not breaking the bank today. In conclusion, both term life and permanent life insurance have their advantages. Term life insurance is more affordable and provides coverage for a specific period, while permanent life insurance offers lifelong protection, locked-in premiums, and a cash value component. To determine which option is best suited for your needs, carefully evaluate your current financial situation, future goals, and the level of protection you require. If you found this information helpful and would like to learn more, please click on the link in the video description below. Our team of experts is here to guide you through the process and help you make the best decision for your unique circumstances. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to assisting you in securing the right life insurance protection for you and your loved ones.